In this video, we will be going through the Dealer Direct Warranty Submission process. Be sure to verify warranty status before performing any service work. Warranties can vary from product to product, and some OEMs provide extended warranties while others do not. Warranties are meant to replace parts that are worn faster than their expected lifespan and not for parts damaged by OEM installation or using the product outside its intended purpose. Let's start by going over the flat rate chart. We will begin with navigation to www.lippert.com. On the left side of the browser, you will click on the support icon, and in the sub-menu, select Flat Rate Chart. Once open, it is important to take note of the items on page 2 which help to identify the various items located throughout the flat rate chart which aid in navigation. On the next page is the table of contents. Clicking on any header in the table of contents will take you to the appropriate section of the flat rate chart. For our example, let's look for the line items for replacing a motor on a Schwintek in-wall slide-out system. As you can see, it takes us to the page with all the slide-outs. But we are looking for a Schwintek in particular, so we have to scroll down 2 pages to find it. The first line item is what we are looking for. The video icon indicates a video related to the repair or replacement. You can click on the icon to access the video. The document icon indicates a specific document related to this product. You can click on this to access the document. Titles in blue are linked to a section of Lippert's support website for that product. For instance, clicking on Schwintek in-wall motor will take you to the top-level Schwintek in-wall page, which hosts a variety of technical information. Looking at the remainder of the information in the row, you will see 1 hour is the time allotment Lippert will allow to be submitted on a warranty claim for this repair. It also provides a yes or no answer for if the part needs to be returned, or if contact to Lippert support is required prior to work being performed, and if a picture is required. Some products have notes at the bottom of the page for pictures and additional information. You can also click on the Table of Contents button at the bottom left of every page, and that will navigate you back to the table of contents. And finally, at the bottom of each page includes our contact information. Now that we know how to use the flat rate chart, we will look at 2 different scenarios on processing claims. Our first will be on replacing a Schwintek in-wall slide-out motor. For this part, no prior authorization is required to start the service work. The part will need to be returned, so no pictures are required. Once the work has been completed, you will fill out a work order form that is specific for your dealership or a warranty claims form that can be found on the website. You can find it by going to the home page, and in the navigation select Support, Service Forms, and then the Lippert Warranty Claims form. Either of these forms requires the same information to be filled out, such as your dealer name, dealer number, contact information, address, retail customer information, unit information, and claim information for the service work that you performed. Send the form with a copy of the part invoice from the LCI store or another retailer to dealerclaims@lci1.com to begin the claims process. Invoices from the LCI store will have a service order number that should be linked in the dealer portal. Invoices from other retailers should show price of product, item description, invoice number, and the transaction date. These forms can also be mailed in, but the Postal Service may delay the process. Since we'll be returning this part, we'll also need to fill out a part return form. We recommend doing this after you have a case number so that you can add it to the part return form. Once the part return form is filled out, send it with the part to Lippert Components, attention warranty/Ron Summers. You can find the shipping information at the bottom of the form. If you are a dealer outside of the US, you will not have to send in the part, but extensive photos of the variant codes, serial numbers, and any damaged or worn parts will be required. Any information missing in the form will delay the warranty claims process and payment. Once you have submitted your form and a case has been created, you will receive a confirmation email. This email will provide you with the reminders of the information that you will need to prevent any delay in payment. It also provides contact information and a link to the dealer portal to check the status on the case. Let's look in the dealer portal. In particular, click on the warranty payment status and click on the claim for additional information. The claim is still in the initial steps of processing. Take the time to look through the claim information to make sure that you have provided all the information required to complete processing the claim. Our second scenario is for a unit replacement. This does not need parts return, but Lipper prior contact is required for this repair along with pictures. You'll need to supply the pictures of the variant codes or serial numbers of the products and any damage or extensive wear. You'll need to email or call Lippert Care Center and provide these pictures for authorization. Some parts may require additional information or documentation that will be requested by the Care Center. Once authorized, you will receive a case number to be added to the service form and you can perform the work. The second example case in the dealer portal has moved to dealer action needed. This means additional information is being requested in the checkboxes below before this claim can continue. For this example, copy of the parts purchase invoice is needed. There are some other things like the W-9 form that you can find on the service forms webpage. The remaining steps in the process of the claims are awaiting parts return and testing, reviewed, and finally being processed. You can scroll down the page to the warranty payment information section. You can see the amount that was paid, payment date, check number, and payment reference. The payment reference is the information that is on the check stub so that we can reference your warranty claim to the check. If you have any questions, call Customer Care Center and ask for dealer claims. You can also email dealerclaims@lci1.com and provide your case number in the subject line for us to easily find the information for your claim.